Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to save multiple images in Photoshop. As you can see, I am opening some images in Photoshop. Here I will change the size of the image and crop it. The images are little pixelate. Now go to File menu, then in File menu Scripts and then select Image Processor. After selecting, dialog box will appear. We have to select the option Open Images because we want to save the images which are open in Photoshop. Then select the location. I am selecting the folder option, so I can show you how to select the folder. Then select the file type you want, JPEG, PSD or TIFF. I am selecting both JPEG and TIFF. Mention the quality you want in JPEG. I want 12. After selecting everything accordingly, click on Run button. Now the files will be saved on the selected location. Let's check, where is my file saved and how it is saved. As you can see, files are saved in different folder, one is of JPEG and other is TIFF. It is the best trick for time saving if you have a lot of images and having a simple change in it. Also, it will be a copy of your original images. So let me know if you want any other such tricks. Comment below. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video, share the video and leaving a comment is always appreciated.